turquoise, almost unnatural shades of blue, a long slash of impossible color cutting through the Yucatán. Yeah, this is Bacalar. It's not Cancun, it's not Tulum. This is somewhere else. This is different. Welcome to Bacalar, Mexico's hidden gem. Let's dive into the top things to do and see in this breathtaking location. You won't find the all-inclusive resorts and drunken hordes here. This is a place for a different kind of traveler. They call it the Lake of Seven Colors, and for good reason. Look, the water here, it's not just blue. It's a kaleidoscope, shifting shades, from deep indigo to almost translucent turquoise. It's like someone spilled a box of crayons in the water. Locals will tell you it's because of the varying depths and the limestone bottom. I don't know, maybe. All I know is it's mesmerizing. You could get lost in this water in the best way possible. Spend a day kayaking, paddleboarding, or just floating on your back. Soak it all in. The lagoon is fed by freshwater cenotes, these underground cave systems, and that's what gives it that unique clarity. You can see straight down to the bottom, even in the deeper parts. It's like swimming in an aquarium, surrounded by fish and turtles. But there's more to this place than just pretty water. There's a history here, man. The Mayans considered this lagoon sacred. They believed it was a gateway to the underworld. And you know what? Standing here, looking out at this endless blue, it's not hard to see why. There's a certain energy here, something ancient and powerful. It gets under your skin. It stays with you. You won't find this kind of beauty just anywhere. This is Bacalar, and it's something special. Forget your fancy resorts and overpriced tourist traps. You want real food? The kind of food that tells a story? You'll find it here in Bacalar. We're not talking Michelin stars and molecular gastronomy. This is about tradition, about recipes passed down through generations. It's about fresh ingredients, cooked with love, and served with a smile. Start with the marquesitas, these crispy rolled crepes filled with whatever your heart desires. Nutella, cheese, fruit, you name it. It's street food at its finest, perfect for a quick snack on the go. Then dive into some salbutes, these fried tortillas topped with shredded turkey or chicken, pickled onions, and avocado. It's a flavor explosion in your mouth, a symphony of textures and tastes that'll leave you wanting more. Don't be afraid to try the local seafood. Freshly caught fish grilled over charcoal, seasoned with lime and chili. Simple, honest food, the kind that nourishes your soul as much as your stomach. Wash it all down with a cold cerveza or a fresh agua fresca. Sit back, relax, and savor every bite. This is the taste of Bacalar, the taste of Mexico, the taste of life itself. Cenotes. You can't talk about the Yucatán without talking about cenotes. These sinkholes, these windows into the underworld. They're everywhere, man. Hidden gems scattered throughout the jungle. And one of the most impressive, the most awe-inspiring, is Cenote Azul. It's right here, on the edge of Bacalar Lagoon, a deep blue eye staring up at the sky. Picture this. You're standing on the edge, looking down into this abyss of crystal clear water. You can't see the bottom. It's 90 meters deep, they say. 90 meters of pure, unfiltered beauty. Take the plunge. Dive into the cool, refreshing water. It's like entering another world down there. Shafts of sunlight pierce through the surface, illuminating the underwater world. Fish dart through the caverns, and turtles glide effortlessly through the depths. It's a surreal experience, a glimpse into the hidden heart of the Yucatán. You don't have to be a diver to appreciate this place. You can swim, snorkel, or just relax on the wooden platforms, soaking up the sun and the scenery. But if you're feeling adventurous, go deeper. Explore the underwater caves. Discover the secrets hidden in the shadows. Cenote Azul is a place of wonder, a place of mystery, a place that will stay with you long after you've left. Let's be honest, history can be boring. Dates, names, battles fought centuries ago. Who cares, right? But sometimes, just sometimes, you stumble upon a place where history comes alive. Where the past isn't just a dusty textbook, it's a living, breathing thing. San Felipe Fort is one of those places. Standing on the ramparts, looking out over the lagoon, you can almost hear the echoes of the past. The clash of swords, the roar of cannons, the screams of pirates fighting for their lives. This fort, it's seen it all. Built in the 18th century to defend against pirate attacks, it's a testament to a time when life was a little more raw. Back then, Bacalar was a major trading port, a hub for precious hardwoods and dye. And where there's treasure, there's bound to be trouble. Pirates, those romantic scoundrels, they were a constant threat. And San Felipe Fort was the first line of defense. Today, it's a museum, a window into the past. Wander through the old barracks. Imagine the soldiers stationed here, their lives dedicated to protecting this little corner of the world. Climb the watchtower, feel the wind in your hair, and look out over the lagoon. The same view those soldiers would have seen centuries ago. It's a humbling experience, a reminder that we're just a small part of a much larger story. Sometimes, the best way to experience a place is to slow down. Ditch the car, forget the map, and just drift. And there's no better way to drift than on a sailboat, gliding across the serene waters of Bacalar Lagoon. Imagine this. The sun is setting, casting long shadows across the water. The wind is in your hair, carrying with it the scent of salt and earth. You're surrounded by the beauty of the lagoon, the ever-changing colors, the lush vegetation lining the shores. There are plenty of sailboat tours available, many of them focusing on sustainability, on respecting this fragile ecosystem. Choose your vessel, find a captain who knows these waters like the back of his hand, and set sail. Let the worries of the world melt away as you glide across the water. It's a meditative experience, a chance to connect with nature, to find a sense of peace that's hard to come by in our hectic world. As you sail, keep an eye out for wildlife. Birds soar overhead, fish leap from the water, and if you're lucky, you might even spot a crocodile basking in the sun. Don't worry, they're more scared of you than you are of them. This is their home, after all. You're just a visitor, passing through. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Let the beauty of Bacalar wash over you. Markets. They're the lifeblood of any community, the beating heart of a town. And in Bacalar, the markets are no different. They're a vibrant tapestry of colors, smells, and sounds. A place where locals and tourists come together to barter, to haggle, to share stories, and laughter. Forget your sterile shopping malls and soulless department stores. This is the real deal, a place where you can find unique treasures, handmade crafts, and souvenirs that actually mean something. Wander through the stalls, admire the intricate embroidery, the colorful textiles, the hand-carved wooden figurines. These aren't mass-produced trinkets, man. These are pieces of art, each one telling a story, each one imbued with the spirit of the people who created them. Talk to the vendors, learn about their craft, about their lives. You'll find that they're more than happy to share their stories, their passion for their work. Don't be afraid to haggle. It's part of the game, a playful dance between buyer and seller. And who knows, you might just walk away with a bargain, a piece of Bacalar to take home with you. But even if you don't buy anything, the experience itself is worth the trip. It's a chance to immerse yourself in the local culture, to feel the pulse of this vibrant community. The Yucatán Peninsula. This land is steeped in history, man. It's the land of the Mayans, one of the most advanced civilizations the world has ever known. And while Bacalar itself might not have the grand pyramids of Chichen Itza or the majestic temples of Tulum, it's surrounded by ancient sites, whispers of a time long gone. Take a day trip, venture into the jungle, and discover these hidden gems. You'll find ruins swallowed by the jungle, temples reclaimed by nature. Climb the crumbling pyramids. Imagine the rituals that took place here centuries ago. Walk through the ancient plazas. Picture the bustling city that once stood here. It's a humbling experience, a reminder of the impermanence of things. These ruins, they're more than just piles of stones. They're a link to the past, a connection to a civilization that thrived for centuries. They're a reminder of the ingenuity, the creativity, the resilience of the human spirit. And they're a reminder that we're all part of something much larger than ourselves. We all do it. We travel to these incredible places, we experience amazing things, and we want to capture it all. We want to share it with the world, to show everyone what we've seen, what we've felt, And sometimes, all it takes is a single image, a perfect shot, to encapsulate the essence of a place. In Bacalar, that place is the Bacalar swing. It's a simple thing, really, a wooden swing suspended over the lagoon, offering breathtaking views of the seven colors. But it's become an icon, a symbol of Bacalar itself. Everyone who comes here, they have to get that shot. They have to swing out over the water, feel the wind in their hair, and capture that perfect moment. And why not? It's a beautiful spot, a place where you can let go of your worries, embrace the moment, and just be. Swing high, let your laughter echo across the water, and create a memory that will last a lifetime. That's a wrap on Bacalar. Whether it's adventure or relaxation, this stunning location has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel guides. Bacalar is more than just a pretty place. It's a feeling, man. It gets under your skin. It stays with you. This is a place to get lost, to find yourself, to reconnect with something real. So come on down, explore the lagoon, taste the local flavors, and discover the magic of Bacalar. You won't regret it.